Woo! Say hi.
Sandra.
Yeah. Yo, yo. Got a whole crew here, man. Woo! Let's play this game, man. Oh, this looks fun here. This is more fun here. What's up, bro? Here.
Going right there, guys. Right here, guys.
Okay, the whole crew is ready to fight.
All right, guys.
We're gonna win this game, bro.
All right, guys. Welcome to. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We have one.
No, it's all right. It's all right. No,
We'll switch it up later. Does this sound good? Heath?
Yeah.
Don't worry. They got a new guy, fresh meat. All right, guys. So, first and foremost, welcome to D-Day. I'm going to have one team start up here in the remnants of my compound building. These are going to be my defenders. The attacking team is going to start 80 yards out behind the dirt mound down there. All right, guys?
Goodness.
So, the object of this game is for the attacking team to fight their way up the hill and either obtain this flag or the flag that we posted in the woods. I have a flagpole we will point out to you guys momentarily in the woods side of the field about 60 yards from me this way. All right, guys. The attacking team only needs to pull one flag to win. If you pull both, congrats to you. I'm going to give you a round of applause, but you only need one to win. Defenders, the only way for the defenders to win is to defend both flags for the entire, we'll say, 10-minute game today. Defend. Yeah, I saw that face. We'll actually make it shorter. Let's see. We're going to do 2 minutes of resurrection. We'll say 7-minute game. 7-minute game. Sound good?
Yes, yeah.
All right, we'll do a 7-minute game. Defenders have to last the entire 7 minutes without any flag being pulled or completely eliminate the attacking team. Here's where this gets a little tricky. For the first 2 minutes, all right, guys, the first 120 seconds, the attacking team is going to receive extra lives. All right, guys.
How many?
So, for the entire 2 minutes. So, the attacking team is going to be running up the hill. If you are an attacker and you get shot and you have confirmed it as a quarter-size hit, you're going to stick your gun up in the air. You're going to walk all the way back down to the bottom of the hill. You're going to wipe that old hit. Very important, drag a finger through it for me, all right? If you don't wipe it and you come running back up the hill, I'm going to see a quarter. I'm going to be like, hey, boss, you're hit. Go check back in. Drag a finger through it. If it's on your back, you can't reach it, ask a buddy, all right? If I see you get shot and I know it's old, I'm not going to call you on it. I'm not going to be an asshole, don't worry. All right, I do pay attention. So, this being said, you can tag in as many times as you want. If you get shot 20 times, you just got to run down that hill 20 times, okay? You're not going to make it past 3. That's my record, at least. After that, I'm done running. So, you guys are a man down. Would you like to attack or defend?
Defend.
Alright. Attacking team. If you would like to follow my referee, he's going to walk you through the woods and down behind the dirt mound.
Hello, see ya, bro.
Flag.
Get ready.
Do we have to
You got
follow
the only
them?
good air horn. What's up?
Do we have to follow them?
We're going to let them walk first. We're going to sit right here. Don't worry, I'll walk in there and just,
Yeah.
we're just kind of chilling. And then you can talk to the woods so that they don't send anyone in the woods. Those 3 can come back. Communication is a very big part of paintball. If you guys are talking to each other throughout the game, you have a very good foot to stand on. If you see one guy, let the whole entire team, hey, we got one guy behind that 3 stack of barrels over there. Get loud, all right? Talk with each other, all right?
I
Be
see.
vocal.
Yeah,
Communication, that's the game winner.
So we do 4 here. It's closest one, no?
We can go ahead and walk through the woods if you...
Yeah. I'm shot his ass, bro, this time. Huh? I'm gonna shot him. I got my head, bro. Oh,
My shoes are wet already.
this camera is sexy, bro.
And I don't have change.
Come on, come on, come on.
Here we go, man.
Yes.
Actually, yeah, I'm.
That's-
I normally, if I'm playing, I will literally defend Woodside by myself, just because. No point. I have an automatic gun, so I'm just sitting behind it. It's fine.
Is that too close? Yeah, it's kind of too close, and you want to shoot like at the last second.
Yeah, right.
He's right. I'm gonna be there. I can defend from there.
I want to give away because it's like last man standing kind of shit.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Alright, guys, we're gonna push over this way.
Woo! It's a fun.
With these positions,